In this video, I am going to show you how to use demo trading on Bitget. Before engaging in futures trading with actual assets, Bitget offers a simulation features trading system known as demo trading. This allows users to practice strategic trading without the risk of assets lost. And here's how to use it. Log into your Bitget account and hover the cursor over the Features section. Select either USDT AM Demo, Simulated USDC Features, or Coin AM Features Demo. It will display market price, index price, high, low price, 24H, volume, and fiat funding rate. You will see charts which provides graphical representation of the price movements. Order book shows current buy and sell orders, and place orders allows users to open long or short positions, set leverage, margin mode, order type, price, or amount. You have to choose the assets for trading by selecting SBTC or SUSDT, located in the left corner of the screen. The S is indicated as simulation trading. Select the margin mode, isolated or cross, and adjust the leverage from 1 to 125. And choose the order type, and optionally set stop loss take profit ratio. Complete your order by clicking buy, long, or sell short. Monitor your position, and when you're done, close your position by clicking the close button next to the open position. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.